Monnasitile wa ActionSA kwa Limpopo, Sello Lediga, o nnile rrakgwebo mo dingwageng tse di fetileng. Ka 2014, o tlogetse go direla ANC.
I couldn't be part of the problem, infinitely. So as a patriot and as somebody, I've got young children who have to grow up in this country. I decided I'm looking for a solution, and I think I found the right home in this situation.
Lediga a re o ikaelela go dira ka natla go tlhabolola maemo a ActionSA profenseng.
And it's official, I've become a full-time employee at ActionSA. I don't need any more business interests.
Ka bagare moeteledipele wa one Hemen Mashaba a re o kgatlhanong le tiriso ya lefoko comrades ka fa gare ga lekoko.
You know what they call comrades. In ActionSA, as I was saying to Mr. Lediga earlier on, ActionSA, please, no comrades. Please, I beg you. Well, the term comrades is banned under ActionSA. Comrades are thugs, are thieves. So if anyone wants to call you comrade, we refuse, because you know why? They always call you comrades when they want to corrupt you. They want something from you.
Baemanokeng ba ActionSA ba amogetse tshwetso ya go thapa Lediga. Ka tla go nyoni SABC News, Polokwane.